Brian Dunn, criminal defense attorney and managing partner at the Cochran law firm in Los Angeles. Brian, let me begin with you, if I may, please. I just want your assessment thus far of this case, and in particular of what we've seen the Commonwealth presenting today. What do you think, please?
Well, I want to say the people of the state, but the Commonwealth has got some serious problems, as you've picked up, Julie. And first of all, it's always great to be with you. I think that one of the things that I keep going back to is the shell casing. That can be very incriminating evidence, but typically, in my experience, when a shell casing is recovered, it's recovered immediately after the incident. They're going to have the yellow tape up, and they're going to be searching, and they're usually going to find it. It is very odd that it would be found some 5 months later, and why it didn't surface earlier. There's going to be some chain of custody issues there. Very important piece of scientific evidence. Anytime you have such a long delay between the incident and charges being filed, it raises doubts as to the strength of the case in the first place. So we definitely have motive because of the court-martial, but there's a whole lot of holes in this case, as you correctly pointed out, Julie.
Brian, thank you so much for that assessment. And as you were speaking, we were showing some photographs of that porch and that spent cartridge casing. And Josh, I want to ask you, when it comes time, what do you think the defense, let's just say for the sake of analysis, let's just say there is no granting of a judgment of acquittal, and let's just say this case continues to proceed and the defense is given the opportunity to present any evidence. Do you think they ought to call all those investigators who searched that porch and supposedly did not see that spent cartridge casing?
Julie,